You know, historically it has been frustrating to answer questions made from beginners on forums such as Stack Overflow. Beginners who didn't follow the correct format for programming questions, so giving the expected output, the actual output, the code and the error message. Usually, beginners would ask questions like this. So let me try a new chat here. So they would say, oh, this code is not working. What might be the problem? And they give the code, so that's logical to give the code, otherwise people would not know it. But other than that, they wouldn't actually mention what they expect from that code and what the actual output was. So that was insufficient information for people who wanted to help you. But nowadays, that actually is an advantage to ask simple queries to ChatGPT when it comes to programming issues. So let's try this together. Let's get this code. I'll delete the float functions so that we simulate a problem here, an issue. So the issue here is that if you enter 1 and 4, you're gonna get this error because it's trying to multiply this A string with this B strings, because input gives out a string, not a number. So now we go to ChatGPT. So this code is not working. You just paste the code there without saying any other thing. So you don't want to influence the chatbot. Just let it try to find out itself. And it does a great job. You'll see. So there you go. Input returns a string, not a number. When you try to multiply two strings, it concatenates them instead of performing mathematical multiplication. So there we go, and we'll get the correct code. So that's the same code that we got previously. So I'm in a new chat. The previous chat was that. So when we asked the question using the standard format of programming questions, we got the same output. So that is the other way to query ChatGPT to fix programs. So the long way is not necessary. Let's try another quick example. Please find attached the HTML file and we'll copy this code. So this has a typo, so SCR should be SRC, not SCR. And this is something that a programmer might have trouble finding because it's something small and the errors might not be very useful. But ChatGPT will do a great job here as well. I'll explain why. So again, this code is not working. What might be the problem? And in the next line, you paste the code. And the AI will tell you the exact issue. So you have a typo in the AIMG tag. The attribute SCR should be SRC, and then it gives you the correct code. So SRC. So you see that you don't need to give extra information about the issue to ChatGPT because ChatGPT does have an immense database to compare the code with, and it reads your code in the fraction of a second. So a programmer would need to go through the code carefully, try to detect the line where the error occurred, but ChatGPT does it instantly and it compares the code with a huge database of correct code and then tries to connect the dots and gives you the best possible answer. And that's very powerful to have. So I hope this makes sense. Make use of this and build better programs. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you in the next videos. See you.